Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So right now I need to get ready to go to church. That I did set an alarm for 6. I ended up waking up at 6:30, but all is well, sharing on time. So I'm just gonna get ready and I'll show you my outfit for church today. Today is Palm Sunday and I really love Palm Sunday. So I need to wear something comfortable because then she famba around. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll show you my outfit after. So I'm done doing everything. So I did my hair on my own and I think it looks better. This is my outfit. Let me show you my let me do this. Let me show you how my outfit looks. This is actually a long dress. This is how everything is looking, and I'm carrying my black bag. So let's go. I'll show you if I'm just saying when we get there. I don't want to be late because I actually get 2 combis to get to church. So yeah. Hi guys. Hi guys. Whew, I'm so tired. It's been a long day today and I'm back home. Just now it's around 5. It's around 5 and cheche yapera kuma 12. Yeah. So I went to see a friend. Let me show you what I got. I went to see a friend and I got this. It's a stick knot. Not a stick knot, it's a stick knot pad. Yeah. Then I got these hooks. My adhesive hooks. I got 3. And I was given a pen. Anyways, I appreciate it. So right now I never ate ndangodya plum zuva rese ranhasi. And when I'm home, I'm always eating. I just feel like when I'm home, I'm always eating. I feel like I can't survive without food. But tell me why I spend the whole day today without eating. And I'm having this. This is my supper, honestly. I'm just too lazy to cook and I have a headache. It's been so hot. I think I'm dehydrated. So I'm just gonna watch a movie and then spend the day today. I'm not gonna record again. So for today, we're just gonna end the day now, and then I'm going to take you guys with me tomorrow as I go for my maintenance. I need to get my nails done. I need to get my toes done. I need to get my eyelashes. And we now have, so I have an announcement to tell you. Just keep praying for me. Something is about to happen. Something. Okay. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow as we go for my maintenance. Can you believe I did this hair on my own? I did my install, nchenda kuchurch, my edges are kusimuka, but look at the less wear. I did the hair on my own yesterday as I was preparing for church, and church was just stay tuned. I'm sure you saw the videos before recording this one. I'm just gonna put the videos before this one so that you can see to church kwedu kunona kids. And if you are looking for a church, you can come to our church and come to Anglican church. Okay, bye guys. We'll talk tomorrow. Hi guys, so let's go and get my maintenance done. I don't know if I'm going to get my hair done today, but I have to get my hair done either today or tomorrow. This is my OOTD. I'll show you guys how it looks. So right now I'm going in town. I just don't want to transport. I'm late for my appointment. I'm starting with my nails, so stay tuned.
Imagine, sure. Why design of Shakira? It's my job. It's my job. Because the name was on Shakira Junction, Singare Kita, Manji of Tarata. Usually outdated.
Since he was here,
yeah, it was actually very modern, you know. When would that be?
tomorrow or
Good morning. Let's go and get my hair done. But I'm late as always. Hi. Let's go. I should have gotten my wig. I think I made a mistake here. Amen. Hi everybody. Let's go comment on Ivan. You're looking. Sure. Hi guys. So I realized that when I was editing, I forgot to make an outro to this video. So this is the end of my video. This is the end of my vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe, please. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. I think I'm gonna start the video tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. It's now late at night, so I need to rest. Don't mind my hair. I had to tie it in a way that when I'm sleeping. Hopefully we wake up tomorrow, she's in place. So yeah, bye guys.